friends, to, also, and as well are all adverbs that mean in addition, but they can't really be used in the same manner or in the same position in a sentence. To is most frequently used in speaking because it's informal, where in the end position, for example here, British English accent is beautiful to you, or immediately after the subject, I too would like to win the lottery. Now, as well is more informal than to, and because of that, it is also most frequently used in speaking, where in the end position, British English accent is beautiful as well, or in the mid position followed by as to mean and or not only but. I like running as well as hiking. Also, on the other hand, is most frequently used in writing because it's the most formal one, where in the front position to emphasize or add new topic, banks are struggling and the value of homes is rising. Also, many employees are being laid off, or in the mid position to connect the following clause to the one before, between subject and main verb. I might love coffee, but I also like tea. After modal or first auxiliary verb, I'm enjoying my time off from school, but I have also been working a lot. After be as main verb. The movie was scary, but was also very funny. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, and like this video. I'll see you next session.